Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we are going to be making this cute little baby card for our Make It in Minutes video. And we are going to be using the Little Dreamers stamp set and the coordinating dies that go with it. We're going to be using just the, the clouds to cut it out. So, or to cut out the little clouds on the card. What else you're going to need is we're going to be making a starry sky or a bluish purple version of this card for the video. So you're going to need some starry sky ink, the embossed piece of cardstock using the Basics 3D using this pattern because there's 3 of them when you get these embossing folders. So we're going to be using this pattern. You'll also need the boho blue and the starry sky Stampin' Blends, the brushed brass butterflies. I already pulled out my little baby stamp set from the stamp set I just showed you, and then some thick basic white cardstock and some scrap basic white cardstock to die cut and stamp on. So let's make this card. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to fold our thick basic white cardstock in half on our score line, and then I am going to burnish it with our bone folder. That's what I was trying to say. And then I'm going to adhere our starry sky onto the front of the card base. Next, I'm going ahead and I'm going to die cut some of the clouds. I'm going to die cut 3 of the big clouds and 2 of the small clouds using the Little Dreamers dies. This bundle is retiring the stamp set and the dies, so if you want to get your hands on this, you have to do it soon, otherwise they're gone and it's last chance. So I'm gonna go do this right now and I'll be right back. Okay, I got those all done. So I have my 3 big ones. Big one's gonna go up here, big one's gonna go on the right hand side, and a big one's gonna go down towards the middle. So once we have those adhered on, I'll show you what to do with our small clouds. So then what I did off camera is I stamped our cow in Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and then I colored it in with the dark starry sky for around the face on its spots, and then I used the boho blue to color in the remaining part of the cow. And so now that I have that done, I die cutted it out, or you could fussy cut it, and I'm going to adhere that on using some dimensionals. Okay, so now I'm going to take a scrap piece of basic white cardstock, bring in my starry sky, and we are going to stamp our sentiment on here and then cut it out. And now that I have that done, I'm going to take some dimensionals and adhere that to the front of the card. And now we're ready to put our tiny clouds on. And so I'm going to take a mini dimensional for the one that we're going to put up towards the top. And I'm putting it on the left side of the cloud because I want it to also kind of overlap our sentiment. So then I'm just going to put some glue on the other side of the cloud and then put it down. And then for our last tiny cloud, just taking a big dimensional, putting this one more towards the right side of the cloud, taking the backing off, and then slightly overlapping the cloud on the cow. And then our final step is going to be bringing in our brushed brass butterflies and adhering those on the card with our Take Your Pick tool. And there we go. There is the final version of our card. Let me know what color you like because I also made them in other colors. Isn't this pretty? It's a little rainbow situation going on. So we have our Granny Apple Green, Daffodil Delight, Melon Mambo, Berry Burst, Pumpkin Pie, and then Starry Sky. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want 5 free tutorials, make sure to sign up for our newsletter. You can find the link to join in the description of this video. Thanks!